Let's take a look at section 4.6, Applying the Exponent Laws. Now that we know what fractional exponents mean, they mean square roots and cube roots and fourth roots. We also know what negative exponents mean. They mean the reciprocal. Now it's time to look at how to apply the exponent laws to powers with fractional and negative exponents. Our laws are all the same. You've seen these laws in grade 9. We've worked on them a little bit in grade 10. We know how to multiply powers with the same base. Dividing powers with the same base is just to subtract the exponents. Power to a power rule, you multiply the exponents. The power of a product rule, so long as it's a product, there cannot be any addition or subtraction within the parentheses for the power of a product rule to work. It has to be only multiplication. The power of a fraction. Again, we only do this if there is only multiplication in the numerator or the denominator, never addition or subtraction. Power of -1, we learn that rule. And the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. All right. So let's look at some basics. 6 to the power of 3 times 6 to the power of 5. Now this is the multiplication of powers rules, so we are going to add the exponents. So we're going to get 6 to the power of 8. Second one, 3x squared. This is in a product that's all raised to a power, so we're going to get 3 squared x squared. The squared is going to apply to both terms equally. That only works if it's all multiplication inside the parentheses. If there's addition or subtraction, it's not going to work. So that's going to be 9x squared. 7 cubed divided by 7 to the power of 7. Listen, we're going to subtract our exponents. And we're going to do 3 take away 7. So this is going to be 7 to the power of -4. Now, a lot of times we want to write all of our expressions with only positive powers. So this will become 1 over 7 to the power of 4. Right? This negative sign means the reciprocal. Next one, 3 to the power of -2 raised to the power of 3. We are going to multiply these two exponents together to get 3 to the power of -6. Again, a lot of times we want to express our answers so that they only have positive exponents. So this will become 1 over 3 to the power of 6. Going from here to here should be a simple task for you. All right, our next one, 9 divided by 49, or 9 over 49 to the power of 1/2. When we have a fraction raised to a power, that power goes to the numerator and the denominator. Just be careful when simplifying if there's adding or subtracting in the numerator or denominator. That'll make things a little bit different. But for this, we just have regular numbers, so it's going to be 9 to the 1/2 divided by 49 to the 1/2. Now, we know that the 1/2 power means square root, so the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of 49 is 7. Right, those are the easy basics. And when we get into the example problems, they'll get much more difficult than this. But in this lesson, all we're doing is applying the exponent laws in complex situations. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below.